Hey folks, AO here from Grow with AO HQ. Are you tired of feeling like the taxman always wins? Today's video might just change your game. I'll share legal, up-to-date ways to reduce your tax payments in the UK. We'll explore allowances, smart savings, and pension planning, even with the 2025 budget changes looming. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. Every Thursday, I'll bring you practical strategies on money, mindset, and growth to help you build your wealth and freedom. Ready? Let's go. First, let's talk about the ISA strategy. The 2025 budget maintains the total annual ISA allowance at £20,000. However, from April 2027, the cash ISA limit drops from £20,000 to £12,000 for those under 65. If you enjoy saving cash tax-free, now is the time to use your full allowance. Alternatively, consider a stocks and shares ISA. Since that £20,000 limit will stay, it offers more flexibility to adapt to future tax changes. Quick tip: if you're under 65, think about splitting between a cash ISA and a stocks and shares ISA for flexibility. Next, let's discuss pension contributions. You can still contribute up to your annual allowance and receive income tax relief. However, from April 2029, National Insurance Relief on salary sacrifice contributions will be capped at £2,000. This means contributions above £2,000 will not be knee-free. But the good news: you'll still get income tax relief for contributions beyond that amount. So, pensions remain a powerful tool for reducing taxable income. Just remember, don't rely solely on knee benefits moving forward. Now, let's watch for fiscal drag. The 2025 budget froze income tax thresholds until 2031. This means that as inflation and wages rise, more people may find themselves in higher tax bands. Your real income might not change, yet you pay more taxes. It's essential to be intentional with your savings and pension planning, ensuring your money remains tax efficient. Be aware of possible tax increases on dividend and interest income. The recent budget raised taxes on savings interest and dividends outside of tax-efficient wrappers. This means ISAs and pensions become crucial for protecting your returns. If you have cash reserves or straightforward savings accounts, remember tax will likely eat into your returns more heavily now. Lastly, think smart about timing and planning. If you expect a pay rise, bonus, or side income, channel it through pensions, ISAs, or savings to minimize tax impact. Keep good records of contributions and investments. This is crucial for declaring income and minimizing tax bills. Consider spreading income across tax years or fully using your allowances. This is especially important now that tax thresholds are frozen. I know these changes might feel frustrating: reduced ISA limits, capped salary sacrifice perks, and frozen tax thresholds. But remember, you still have power and choices. These choices can result in more savings, bigger pensions, lower taxes, and greater freedom. This isn't about trickery, it's about being strategic and protecting your financial future. If this video provided clarity, I ask you to hit that like button. It helps more people find this important information. Share your thoughts in the comments. Which of these tax strategies will you implement first in the next year? I read every comment. And don't forget to subscribe to Grow with AO HQ for weekly insights on wealth building, lifestyle improvements, and more. We're in this together. Let's grow.